Hello, St. Gregory's family. It's Elena Tam here, the Communications and Marketing Coordinator, here to give you a little tutorial on how to download our new app, which we are so excited about. So here we are on an iPhone, and you're going to go to the App Store right here. You're going to search for St. Gregory's Boca Raton. There we are. And you're going to download it. It's just going to take a few moments to download, and then it'll be right there saved on your phone for you whenever you need it. So you can just press open. And it's going to ask a series of a few questions. It's saying St. Gregory's would like to send you notifications. So we will be sending you push notifications to alert you on different events, different important announcements. So I would definitely suggest clicking on allow. And then it's asking, can this app access your location? That is completely up to you. I'm going to say only while using the app. And then there's going to be different groups that you can get push notifications from. As of right now, the only one that we're using is for congregation. So I would press edit. You can undo those other ones by just pressing on it. And then you can see congregation is still checked off. And then you press done. You can also create a profile just right over here. Sign in or register. So you're going to put in your phone number. It's going to send you a code, and that's how you can register. And then here we'll go back to our home page. So there's so many different things that you can access right here on our home page. Here is our What's Happening newsletter. Boom, right there, which is great. Our sermon from Sunday, here's Father Andrew. When you click on that, or tap on it, I should say, and then play video, and there's Father Andrew. So you can watch this. If you'd like to submit a prayer request, you can do that right here as well. You do request prayer now. And it will take you to our website where you can put in all the information, what list you want it to be on. So that's a cool feature there. And then here's our Discover page where you can contact us directly by phone, email. You can even save the contact. Here's all of our Sunday services, weekday services, directions, our staff. So you can actually contact each staff member directly. So let's scroll down to me. There I am. You could email me, call me, save my contact directly from the app. So you can see if you press phone, boom, it goes right to my direct line. And then Sundays, there you can find our Sunday bulletin. So you've got that right there on your phone. The lectionary page, if you want to see what's coming up for another Sunday or one of the weekday services, that's listed through July. And then there's that prayer request again. Social media. If you don't already, make sure you like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and even we have listed our additional social media pages with Meals with Meaning and with Bria. And then if we do send you notification, it'll always be here in this inbox. So you can see we did some test ones, and so those will be right there for you in case you forgot what it said. It'll be right there. Now you can even give right here through the app, through PushPay, and it's super easy. You can give one time, you can set up a recurring gift, that can reoccur every week, every month. You can choose which fund you want it to go to. It can be either your pledge, clergy discretionary, flowers, Meals with Meaning, music ministry, South Florida Haiti Project, youth ministry. So many different options there, super easy to set up. And then events, here's our calendar. So say you want to know what's happening this coming Sunday, you click on that date, events for March 31st, shows you, 33 minutes, choir, coffee hour, give on the go, all those great events coming up. And then we even have our featured events. So here's our Easter Sunday service. And there you can find our what's happening again. And then in sermons, you can find all of our past sermons, plus all of our videos that are linked on our YouTube page. So here's a video that Father Andrew did last week on church politics and preaching. So you can scroll through there and see all of our different videos that we've posted. And yeah, just going back to our homepage, this is what we feature. We feature this, an upcoming event, prayer request, sermon, and what's happening. So that is our tutorial. I hope that helped. If you have any questions at all, feel free to contact us in the office by calling us at 561-395-8285. We'd be more than happy to help you download it, set up your profile, set up your giving profile, whatever questions you might have. We are here for you. We're so excited that you are watching this video and downloading our app.